Hi everyone, today we're talking about the 2022 Toyota 4Runner TRD Sport. The 4Runner has been a staple in the Toyota lineup for the past 40 years. It's currently in its 5th generation, which launched in 2010, and for the past 13 years has only seen slight modifications, primarily in its color palette, trim variants, and some updated technology. For 2022, Toyota introduced the TRD Sport model we see here that focuses more on road manners rather than enhanced off-road capability, although it's still very capable. The TRD Sport has its own unique front fascia with color-keyed accents, a hood scoop, and 20-inch machine alloys, among other updates. It's available in either a 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive model and comes with a 4-liter V6 that generates 270 horsepower. There are 7 different variants available for 2022, and the TRD Sport slots in right above the base SR5 model, starting just around $42,000. Let's hop in and take a closer look at the 2022 Toyota 4Runner TRD Sport. The current styling has held up well with its rugged looks in all grades. Toyota has kept it fresh with new paint colors, wheel designs, and optional accessories. For 2022, all models get LED lighting up front to flank the large front fascia. This new TRD Sport model shares a front end with the Limited model, however it loses the chrome in favor of a color-keyed fascia. The side profile is the same on all models with the boxy shape, flared fenders, and tall stance. Around back are squared-off, clear lens taillights, a tow hitch, rear spoiler, and the popular rear window that rolls down. SR5 and TRD models ride on 17-inch alloy wheels available in 3 designs. Limited and TRD Sport models come with 20-inch alloys in silver or dark gray. This test TRD Sport model blends the sophistications of the Limited with off-road style. It comes with 20-inch dark gray wheels, color-keyed accents on the grille, rocker panels, and body molding, plus the signature TRD-style hood scoop, front spoiler, and black roof rails. Inside, it gets power-adjustable black Softex trim seats that feature unique gray contrast stitching, along with headrests that have gray TRD stitched logos. TRD Sport floor mats and a standard TRD shift knob complete the cabin makeover. The 4Runner's interior has been relatively unchanged for 13 years. It features a rugged look with chunky knobs and controls that are beneficial for the trails versus a more modern tech-oriented touchscreen layout. A small multi-information display is at the center of the gauge cluster behind the steering wheel, and at the center of the dash is an 8-inch touchscreen. The system integrates with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the system is intuitive without requiring much education to operate. It does the job it's intended to do, but needs an update all around. It comes standard with a 5-seat layout, cloth upholstery, and 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat. It offers respectable room with decent head, leg, and shoulder room. The driver's position is high, as is the SUV, which requires some effort to get in and out of. The back seats comfortably accommodate 3 kids across and includes 2 sets of latch connectors for child safety seats. A 3rd row is optional on the SR5 and Limited models, but the seat is tight, barely accommodating 2 passengers. It has 47.2 cubic feet of space behind the rear seats and 89.7 cubic feet with the 2nd row folded down. Those figures are above average for a midsize SUV. Other storage features include a pull-out load floor, ample pockets, and the ability for rooftop cargo. When the 4Runner first arrived, it offered a range of around 385 miles with a full 23-gallon tank. EPA estimates are 17 miles per gallon combined, which are among the worst in the class. It does run on regular-grade fuel, and after a week of primarily suburban driving, I averaged 16.5 miles per gallon. All 4Runners get the same 4-liter V6 that pushes out 270 horsepower and 278 pound-feet of torque. It's an older powertrain but proven reliable. All models can tow a maximum of 5,000 pounds with a maximum 500-pound tongue weight. It pairs with an outdated 5-speed automatic transmission that is sluggish as it shifts through the gears. It feels heavy as you hit the accelerator to deliver a 0 to 60 time of 7.7 seconds. Once it gets going, the road manners are reasonable as it holds its own on the highway and around town. It won't win any agility races as steering is soft and it's not very precise. There's a good amount of lean around corners and occupants will feel some road imperfections. This is improved with the new TRD Sport model that adjusts suspension to improve that ride quality on paved roads. As a body-on-frame SUV, you get that truckish feeling while driving it, which also makes it ideal for off-roading. With 9.6 inches of ground clearance, it is ready to climb. It features a 4-link rear axle and coil spring suspension. Standard hill start assist control provides additional control when accelerating from a stop on a steep incline. Either downhill assist or crawl control come standard depending on the trim, which help maintain control while descending the hill. And as trail conditions change, the driver can adapt the vehicle using the standard multi-terrain select system to choose a mode that matches the condition. The system will then adjust wheel slip control accordingly. The 4Runner has proven reliable and still performs well enough to be a contender in the class. It offers a unique positioning with its capabilities off-road and comes with some street cred in the enthusiast world. I think it still looks good outside, and I'm a fan of the variety of grades available to consumers. The interior is the most disappointing, primarily based on the competition's upgraded materials and technology. The 4Runner is still functional, just not as tech-oriented. This one is worth considering if you're up for an adventure and want something that can withstand the test of time. That's a wrap of my review of the 2022 Toyota 4Runner TRD Sport. As a current 4th generation Sport Edition owner, I am definitely still a fan of the 4Runner, but I do look forward to seeing what Toyota has in the works for the upcoming 6th generation. For the full review, be sure to visit drivechicago.com or subscribe below for even more automotive content. And give us a follow on our other social channels, including Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I'm Jim O'Brill with Drive Chicago. Thanks for watching.